Worldcoin is a controversial, ambitious cryptocurrency project founded by Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, Alex Blania, and Max Novenstern. Its core mission is to create a new, globally inclusive financial and identity network. 1. The project is built on two main pillars. World ID, a digital identity system that uses a custom hardware device called the Orb to scan a person's iris to verify they are a unique, real human. This is designed to be a proof of personhood that is resistant to bots and AI. WLD token, a cryptocurrency, the native token of the Worldcoin network, that is distributed for free to verified humans, with the goal of achieving a fair and widespread distribution. The overarching thesis is that as AI becomes more advanced, it will be increasingly difficult to distinguish between humans and AI online. Worldcoin aims to solve this by providing a reliable way to prove someone is human, which could be crucial for accessing services, implementing universal basic income (UBI) models, and ensuring democratic processes online. 2. How does it work? A step-by-step explanation. The process involves a combination of specialized hardware, zero-knowledge proofs, and blockchain technology. Step 1. Verification, getting a World ID. This is the most unique and debated part of Worldcoin. Find an orb. A person finds a physical, spherical device called an orb, operated by an orb operator in their local city, e.g., in shopping malls or pop-up stations. Iris scan. The orb scans the person's iris pattern. The key point is that it does not take a photo or video of the iris. Check for uniqueness. This iris hash is checked against a global database. If the hash is not already present, it is confirmed that this person is a unique human who hasn't signed up before. Issue a World ID. Upon successful verification, a World ID, a digital passport of your humanness, is created and stored on your smartphone in a privacy-preserving way using zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. Privacy note: the company states that the iris scan is deleted after creating the iris hash, unless the user explicitly opts into data storage for future data custody features. The core system is designed so your biometric data is not stored or tracked. Step 2. Receiving the WLD token. Once a user has a verified World ID, they become eligible to receive free WLD tokens. Initially, users in eligible countries received a grant of WLD tokens for signing up. This grant program has changed over time. The distribution is designed to be as universal and fair as possible, hence the free model to encourage global adoption. Step 3. Using the ecosystem. With a World ID and WLD tokens, users can interact with the ecosystem. Prove humanity online. Use your World ID to anonymously prove you are a real human on any supporting app or website without revealing any personal data. This could be for voting, accessing social media, or preventing bot fraud. Transactions. Send and receive WLD tokens as a form of digital currency. Governance. Potentially participate in the governance of the Worldcoin protocol in the future. 3. The technology behind it. The Orb, custom-designed hardware device that performs the iris encoding. Its security is crucial to prevent spoofing. Zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs. This is the cryptographic magic that makes World ID private. A ZKP allows you to prove you have a valid World ID, i.e., you are a verified human, without revealing which World ID you have or any of your biometric data. It's like proving you know a secret password without ever saying the password out loud. Blockchain. Worldcoin initially planned to build its own blockchain but now primarily operates as an Ethereum Layer 2, L2, network built on the Optimism stack. This makes it scalable and integrated with the broader Ethereum ecosystem. The WLD token exists on this L2 and also on the main Ethereum chain.